Okay, video 3 of 5. This is independent client Hawks Bend Home Pro. So I just want to show you the kitchenette area here real quick. Down here we've got a hallway, goes to the back. We're in the upstairs area here. This is the wall that has the sink, refrigerator, dishwasher on. Right here is the back wall that is connecting to the bathrooms on the other side of the wall there. And right here, they've not finished the framing yet, but it's outlined. Here's the inset that we're looking at putting the oven cabinet in for the microwave. Now on the right-hand side right here, this leg return, you need to be at least 28 inches or so deep. It's going to be when they add the front piece to it. It can be 30 inches deep if you want to add that extra 1.5 inches to it. It won't hurt anything. The space you have here is plenty in front of the cabinets. Interior of this is 30.5 inches adjusted for sheetrock. So the opening width of it's perfect for a 27 oven, small fillers on both sides. Here on this, I went ahead and took a piece of scrap and I tied it to the wall. We need a microwave home run on that wall. If we're going to be doing the microwave in the back cabinet here, we'll need that wire pulled to that one. Now something to be looked at, they've actually removed 2 2x6s here and in the floor and trimmed the nails, of course, when nobody steps on them. Got 2 2x6s on that one 2x6 on this one up above. Those have been removed, and I'm thinking it's for air conditioning chaseway or some kind of built-in frame-in for the upstairs. The plan shows this being a solid wall. So I don't believe those are going to be doors. I believe those are going to be framed back in later. But just for note, I went ahead and measured back wall there from outside to outside. It is 86 inches. Let's take a look at the drawing real quick on this one. Just a pencil drawing. You've got 28 inches, 30.5 inches is the interior, like I just said. 86 is this back wall. 158 is the back wall where the actual kitchen area is. And the left-hand side is where the H2O box or the water box is 15 inches to center. On this one, you've got one outlet plug box here for the refrigerator and 3 others on the wall. All of them have power that's been run to them already. So the first one is 18 inches from the left-hand side. The next one's 54. The next one's 114. And from the left-hand side, 150. Now the 150 one here in the original drawing, let me show you that. In the original drawing, there is a pantry on the right-hand side. Okay, this is original from the floor plan. And so that particular plug is going to be in the back of that pantry. It could be a junction box because it looks like it's an in and out plug. It actually has power in and out of it. It could be for future use, I'm not sure, but the pantry does fit over it without any problems. The other thing was we had drawn this at a 120 inch ceiling height. It's actually 108 ceiling height in here. Make a note of that real quick. 108, got it. And then on your refrigerator panels, there'll have to be 2 of them. So if you take a look right here, this is a hallway, so that is an outside corner. So as a hallway outside corner, you're going to have a refrigerator in panel, you're going to have a wall cabinet, and then another panel, and at least 3 inches of margin for the molding return down the side. So again, we don't want to run the full length at 158. We want to be somewhere around 155 or smaller for our cabinet length. Now the openings here that are already drilled, you have a drain opening, hot cold drain, and they put a center line for where the sink is on plan. And let's go back to that drawing. On this one, the center line is at 70 inches for the drain. Hot is at 75, and the cold is at 82, again from the left-hand side. Now that may be a little further over than the original plan shows. I'll start with that since we already have the utility started for there, but that may be a little bit to the left of where the actual drawing plan was to begin with. Let's take a look at the bathrooms now. Okay, this is the top of the stairs here. As you come to the top of the stairs and turn left, I'm headed down the back of this first bedroom and the bathroom associated with it. So this bathroom, I think, is guest bath 2. If you take a look, they already have a return wall here. They do have switches and electrical plugs for the code be compliant on that through the entry of the room. So they're already there in place. We had originally looked at a drawing like this that had the linen tower, which is on the floor plan for the house. Linen tower on the right and had the cabinet to the left. There's not enough room for this layout. If you look at from the floor here from the corner to that blue line to the left of the toilet flange. That's 66 inches. That's what's in the original blueprint drawing. For this particular room, the center of the toilet flange is at 73. So they already have some of the drillings done here for the vanity. Someone's called out a 4 foot there, and they've put a 24-inch drilling for that. So this is going to work best with a 48-inch vanity with a 1-inch filler to the left. Again, because we have the switches. We have 24 inches to the left of that, 32-inch doorway. So this is the top of the room, guest bath 2, I believe is what this is. 48-inch single vanity, possibly with like 3 drawer sets on 2 sides or something like that. Let's take a look at guest bath 3. Okay, this is guest bath 3. If you come down the hallway and upstairs and you go to the bedroom on the right, as you come down the hallway from the kitchenette, here we are at guest bathroom 3. You take a look, it is a right-hand return. So you have 24 inches to the edge of a 32-inch doorway, 48-inch vanity, 24-inch on center line drillings. They're already here for a 48-inch vanity. And again, 74 inches to the right-hand side is where the actual center of the toilet flange is. And again, also we have the switches here for egress in and out of the room and plug-ins. So that is a code-compliant layout for this. And they've already strapped a wire for the center line on 24 for the light above the vanity. So it looks like this again will be a 48-inch vanity with a center line 24, unless they change the electrical for this one. Let's go ahead and go straight on down the hallway. If we go into the last bedroom in the hallway, here is the vanity layout for this one. Again, it's a left-hand side vanity layout. If you look, the center line of the toilet flange is 76 inches on this one. The center of the toilet flange to the left-hand wall is 76. It's a little tighter here. There's only 23 inches of space, so be careful about your molding build out for your door here. You only have 23 inches of space, 22 is your countertop, 21 with your base, so that should still work just fine. You already have the electrical and the electrical for the lighting switches here. So again, looks like it's going to be a 48-inch vanity, center line 24, and they already have the drillings for that. So that works out well in this room, especially again, to plan, you're going to be way over here close to the bathroom. You have to have 30 inches off center line of flange for your toilet area. So we'll probably be looking at like a 48-inch vanity for this left-hand side as well. One more area to look at is the laundry room. Let's go ahead and go here just in case we need anything for the laundry area. Laundry area is 59.5 inches wide with accounting for sheetrock. It is 35 inches deep on the right and left-hand side. Has the washer and dryer hookup, washer on the left, dryer on the right. And if you take a look, I got a 108 ceiling height in this room again. Did not ask for anything for here, but if you wanted to put some cabinets, they already have the lighting in here for this, well out away from the wall. So up to 15-inch deep cabinets wouldn't be a problem if we wanted to put tall cabinets above the washer and dryer. If we wanted to do an enclosure or something, I could also talk about that. That is the upstairs area. We will go ahead and head over to the downstairs baths and the laundry area.